I built a free AI money agent that runs entirely on my laptop. No internet, no subscriptions, no coding. It analyzed 3 months of bank statements and found $286 I was wasting every month. Here is the exact setup. Before we build MoneyLens, watch how it works. I add 3 months of sample bank statements. Everything stays on my laptop. Nothing goes to the cloud. MoneyLens finds recurring waste, explains every flag, and creates an action plan. Now, let's build it with plain English. Now, let's build MoneyLens. I'm using Codex for this demo, but the prompt is platform neutral. You can also try it with Claude Cowork, Anti-Gravity, or another coding agent. Step 1. Create an empty folder and open it in your coding agent. Step 2. Paste the complete prompt from the video description. It defines the design, privacy rules, transaction checks, and every feature we need. Step 3. Ask the agent to create the full application, run automated tests, and launch it locally. No coding required from us. We guide the agent using plain English. Codex now builds the dashboard, statement importer, detection rules, evidence screens, and action plan. I start with an empty folder. Then I paste one prompt into Codex. The prompt asks for a private money assistant that runs locally with no backend, no cloud database, and no tracking. Depending on your computer, the build may take a few minutes. Codex creates the app, the sample statements, and the verification test. Now we test the result with fictional bank data. Now I test it with fictional bank data. I add 3 sample CSV files, March, April, and May. MoneyLens reads the files on this computer. No cloud upload, no outside analysis API. Then it flags the money leaks, unused monthly payments, duplicate charges, bank fees, and price increases. The best part is the action plan. It does not just say you spend too much. It tells me what to cancel, what to review, and what to fix first. This is the full prompt. You can copy it from the description, paste into your coding agent, and build your own private money app. That is MoneyLens, built from one prompt, running locally, tested with fictional CSV statements, and turning money leaks into an action plan. Try the prompt from the description, then comment which coding agent you used and whether it worked.